How you guys doing? Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. Today I'm going to show you quickly how you remove and the location of the thermostat. You got to remove this air box or whatever you want to call it, just air intake. This is being held with two screws here on this side and that side. This side goes to the throttle body right here, and then this side goes to the air box, just like that. There's also two retainers here, two hoses that's going to the valve, to the engine. This one you remove by pushing down to release the lock, and this one is removed by pressing from bottom up to release those two locks that are into these holes. Once this is removed, the thermostat is being held with three screws, size 10. I have already replaced this part, but I just wanted to show you how you replace it. So one right here, and one right there. Size 10. They all size 10. What I find easier is you remove these hoses before you actually remove the thermostat. So with a plier or whatever that you want to use, a clamp for these clamps, you remove this hose, then you remove this hose before you remove these three bolts for the thermostat housing. Now on this car, the design is the housing is sold with the thermostat. Some cars, the thermostat will actually have to remove the housing and replace the thermostat inside, but this one is built in, so it comes in one unit. That's why I'm telling you it's easier to just remove the hoses before you pull out this thermostat housing. The part number from Amazon is this right here. It's a Duralast brand. Should just be just as good as the original, because I actually bought the one, I believe it was 207 Fahrenheit. So it should be fine. And yeah, just make sure that you got a bucket at the bottom there, because once you remove the hose and the thermostat, you're gonna start leaking coolant. It does use Dex Cool, and basically that's all I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you with the next video.